back at it like we never left, as always. Unqaba Zulibanzi, I grew up with this brother, man. We used to vibe to this, go watch. I used to go and watch him though. Back in the days, he used to be a player too. So building up to career yake Pretoria, varsity level. Some of his friends took it to another level. Others playing pools, and he still support the movement, man. He still goes to this high school, still go to this varsity, varsity. So I respect the brother. Much respect. This is this segment.
Right. Yay. Thank you for that intro. Hey, that intro. You and the now. Because it's a mouthful. You know, you even dropping words such as legend and. But thank you very much for that intro. Mna bhuti wam, igama lam nguNqaba, ifani nguZwelibanzi. Young man from Mdantsane in East London, in the Eastern Cape. I think mandiqale ngemfundo, which is where I think interest will lie when it comes to ezizinto ke ngoku sowuthetha ngazo ze-derby days and whatnot. I started at Cambridge Prep. I say Cambridge Preparatory ngoko, Cambridge Junior, Cambridge High, and ndayishiya ke Cambridge High, and ndayotsho ezifama eGill College apha eSomerset East eKaro. Ndidlale ke i-sport throughout zonke zizikolo ndizimenshinileyo. I played from the tender age of 6. Sihamba ke i-rugby clinics and cricket clinics. As rugby clinics again ndithetha ngazo, these are i-grassroots ye-rugby, you know, the safeties, the do's and don'ts zomdlalo we-rugby, you know. How do you tackle, how do you carry a ball, you know, xa ubalekayo, which side do you carry the ball if kukho opponent ezayo, you know, how do you go into a tackle, how do you fall from a tackle, you know. Ziklinik ke leyo from a young age i-rugby esiyifundisiweyo, ethe ke yacaca uba iyaphucula ngoba ke a lot of the people that I came up with badlale bahamba bayo representa, you know, provinces, representing Border, representing the Eastern Province. Many have also grown and gone beyond just the Eastern Cape, you know. Bathathiwe bebaninzi baya Pretoria, Kapa, you know. I have friends ezifunde St Albans ezisuka kwalapha kule Eastern Cape inye, yebo, Kapa ePretoria, that have played for the Blue Bulls, played for the Eagles, played for these varsity teams, EUJ, TUT, Tuks, you name them, you know. And I think our focal point will be concerning as derby days, where this tradition comes from, because i-tradition yonke le nto uyabona, and sizama ulandelela le evolution, what has changed, what has not changed, and just for the love of the game, for the love of schoolboy sports.
And it's nice to learn from the ground, man, the streets. So we can't forget home. So one of the guys that will be running this segment, we call it a playboy's corner. Not what you're thinking. We're talking about sport, how exciting the sport is, how exciting the balls are. Not the other balls. I'm talking about the rugby. I'm talking about I'm talking about any type of sport that these boys are being scouted at. So now we want to document apho basuka khona, building up to their careers from varsity level or professional level. It's been professional even from the high school levels, bro. I respect that.
So what you can expect is visibility, a lot more visibility from our side. We'll be a lot more visible. We'll be traveling. We'll be having fun. We'll be exploring, and I think fun is the most part. Lendo, it needs to be fun for everyone. It needs to be fun for the people that are involved. So I think the one thing that you can expect is fun.
Going around these derby days or reunion in Queenstown or PE, just sitting down with these playboys, man, and following their career, building up to varsity. So we're documenting the whole movement of that such space. Yeah, but so then in respective of them before time. Yeah, because we tend to respect people when they cross over. So this time we respect them before time because we value what we're doing now. Being a legend, man, it's beyond one's expectation. It's what you make of it.
Oh yeah.